This is how to remotely start the Acura Integra. So you're gonna need your remote. This is the 2024 Acura Integra. The first thing you gotta do is lock it, so press the lock button. Now the doors are locked. Now the top button here that says engine hold, hold that down. And now it's running. A lot of people think, man, my Acura Integra won't remotely start. Remote start on my Acura Integra doesn't work. Well, if you have the feature, remember, just to recap, you gotta lock it first, and then you've gotta hold down the top button that says engine hold. And you notice I held it for several seconds before it started, but it's running now, and I can go over here and get inside my vehicle. So I hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out all my videos. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, iRick Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.